I moved from New Hampshire to Florida 14 years ago, and I needed a new dentist, and I knew I needed a new periodontist. So how I picked my dentist was crazy. He had my same last name, and he lived a few blocks from my house, but I lucked out. He was a good dentist, and he referred me to Dr. Eastman. Over the years, Dr. Eastman's office has coordinated my care with 3 other dentists, one dentist out of state in North Carolina, because I'm not a snowbird, but I'm a sandbird. I go up north for summers, and I do not want to skip a cleaning. So presently, I alternate my cleaning visits between my dentist here in Bradenton, and 3 months. The next 3 months, I go to Dr. Eastman for cleaning, exams, etc. If I have a periodontal problem, I see Dr. Eastman, and I believe he gives me annual exams. And every time I've met with him, I appreciate the fact that he takes the time to offer a clear explanation, provide pertinent information, so I can make the best decisions about my care. And I noticed he also provides explanations and education to his staff. So far, so good, but because of his concerns, I have stepped up my home care this last year, and I think it was his concern that really motivated me to do a better job. I know, though, should I need periodontal work in the future, I'm assured that Dr. Eastman is up on the latest procedures and that he has the technology to deliver the goods. I remember my first appointment with Dr. Eastman. I had moved from New Hampshire to Florida, and in that transition I'd missed a cleaning appointment. Well, my gums were certainly stressed. So I had a course of 2 antibiotics, but what made the biggest impression upon me was that he said, "I'm not going to let you lose your teeth. I'm just not going to let you lose them." And there was this personal commitment and resolve he seemed to have. I remember thinking, boy, I hope I'm in good hands. Well, I have to say, it's 14 years later. I haven't lost my teeth. It's been a real positive experience. I feel like I have an alliance with the staff here. My best experience has been in this office with Nitrous, because they have the right equipment, the best mask, that makes a big difference, and his staff is well trained and very comfortable with that procedure. And that's important to me because I have very sensitive gums, and I don't want to come in all anxious anticipating pain. So I don't hesitate to recommend Dr. Eastman to my family, my friends, anyone else for that matter in the area. I think Dr. Eastman and his staff, they take great pride in delivering quality periodontal care. And so for me, it's been a great time throughout these 14 years.